Historical Archive Disclaimer. The following audio-visual material is presented strictly for educational, documentary, and historical preservation purposes. Adolf Hitler's speech at the Krupp factory is a key historical example of Nazi propaganda aimed at industrial workers. He addressed employees to solidify their support for the regime, emphasizing Germany's economic recovery after the Great Depression, national unity, worker pride, and the reversal of the Treaty of Versailles. The event took place in Essen, Germany, at the Krupp works, a major armaments and steel giant central to rearmament efforts. The Nazi ideology promoted in speeches like this contributed directly to World War II and the Holocaust, resulting in the systematic murder of more than 6 million Jews and millions of others.
My German national comrades, German workers, if this Sunday the people of Germany once again grant me their trust, if they confirm me as the Speaker of the nation, then I speak not for myself, but for all of Germany. What I say here is not the word of a single man. It is the voice of a people that has found itself again, a nation that was broken, but has risen from the ruins through discipline, unity, and labor. 3 years ago, we were a country defeated in spirit. Our factories were silent, our workers without jobs, our youth without hope. But look around you now. See the smoke rising once again from the chimneys. The machines humming with life. The workers at their posts. That is Germany reborn. We have become a decent people once more. A people of order, of dignity, and of work. Once again, the German worker can stand tall, for he no longer toils in vain, but builds with pride for the future of his nation. Through struggle, we have rediscovered who we are. We have learned that the greatness of a nation lies not in gold or territory, but in the strength, discipline, and creativity of its working people. It is the hand of the worker that builds the future. It is the spirit of labor that sustains the nation. In these few short years, we have accomplished what others said was impossible. We have built roads that unite our land, factories that power our cities, and homes that shelter our families. New inventions, new industries, new communities have arisen across Germany. From the Rhineland to Bavaria, from Saxony to the Ruhr, there is life, there is movement, there is purpose once again. We are not indifferent to the rest of the world. We do not close our eyes to other nations, but we will not be judged by them. For too long, Germany was forced to bow before the judgment of others. That time is over. I do not answer to foreign governments. I answer only to the German people and to you, the workers of Germany. I ask, have I kept faith with you? Have I devoted myself to the service of our people? Have I given everything in these years to restore your pride and your livelihood? You, and you alone, have the right to judge me, not the politicians abroad, not the critics who know nothing of our struggle. You, the men and women who build, who work, who sacrifice, you are my judges. When I walk through our new factories and see the power of German labor, when I watch the sparks of molten steel in the furnaces of Essen, I see more than industry. I see the heart of a nation beating again. Each machine that turns, each hammer that strikes is a symbol of our rebirth. The world once said that Germany could never rise again. They said our will was broken, our people too weary, our nation too divided. They were wrong. Through the strength of your hands, through the faith in your hearts, we have proven that no defeat can destroy a people who refuse to surrender. Do not speak to me of gestures and symbolic acts. Do not speak of empty treaties or hollow words. True peace will never be achieved through speeches and signatures. Peace is built through honesty, through work, through mutual respect. And that is what we are doing here in Germany, building peace through creation, through labor, through unity. We have become once again a nation capable of anything. There is no task too great for us, no challenge too hard, so long as we remain true to one another. German men and women, you have seen the roads we have built, the homes we have raised, the strength we have restored. You have seen that Germany stands once more on her own feet. Now I ask you, will you stand with me as I have stood with you? Will you keep faith with the work we have begun? If your answer is yes, then stand with pride, for your labor has rebuilt this nation, and your courage has given it life.
Thank you for watching. Study the past to build a better future. Check the gear icon to switch between the original historical recording and localized narrations. Voices of History unequivocally condemns anti-Semitism, racism, hatred, discrimination, violence, and all forms of genocide.